Hi, I'm out here at 23672 Store Road in Waynesville. It's the Taylor Hills subdivision. We're going to check out this split level house. Okay. So as you enter, you can go up or down. We'll start by looking upstairs. Nice flooring. The walls are blue. Could use a little touch-up paint, but otherwise in good condition. There's a gray chair rail that runs midway through the wall. So here's the stairs. Nice big open kitchen, dining room, living room area. And you can see some little areas where it needs some touch up. But for the most part, walls are in great condition. Kitchen's got this little peninsula coming out, which allows room for a couple of bar stools if you choose to have them. While we still have a little daylight, I'm going to take a look at the back. So you've got probably a 10 by 10 porch. Needs to be stained, but otherwise in pretty good condition. Looks like we do have one board with some rotting area. Other than that, it feels pretty sturdy. You can see it looks like they had a pool here at one time. Nice flat yard. There's your downstairs access. Okay. So let's look at the two guest rooms. Closet. Got a little coat closet in between the two bedrooms. Walls appear to be in pretty good condition. Same nice flooring. Closet. Got a little indent there, not bad. So this is your guest bathroom. You have your single sink, mirror, light fixture, toilet, shower tub combo. exhaust fan. We're going to walk across the living room to the master. So this is a deep red. I'm not sure if that color is showing up well in the picture. Big windows, great for natural light. Nice flooring. There is tile in the bathrooms and carpet in the closet. Right after you enter the door, comes into the shower. So stand-up shower, does have the seating. Nice and clean. You have a tub. Double sinks. Toilet. I put a little shelf up there. Hand towel. And back out to the master bedroom. Now we'll venture down the stairs. State Trooper lives across the street. I see that as a bonus. Okay, a couple of little spots on the walls that could be touched up, but otherwise in good condition. We do have a spot here where the door handle has gone in. Looks like they had a wash machine leak at one point. Coat closet under the stairs. Nice size garage. They left a workbench there and some shelving on the corner. So, 2-bay garage there. Storage on the back side, which has their HVAC and water heater. This is the family room. Let's check out the condition of the carpet real quick. Ceiling doesn't quite look professional. Looks like it was a homeowner special. Bathroom has carpet leading in, however, there is tile around the toilet. Sink and mirror. And stand-up shower. This is the back door. Give you you a lower level view of the backyard. And the last bedroom, again, looks like homeowner finished the ceilings down here. See, it's not quite a professional finish. But certainly functional. Check out the closet. Closet is unfinished. All right. That completes our tour. Give you one quick view down the street here.